Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how you can pair an Apple TV remote. I've seen a couple of videos, none of them really worked for me, so I had to play around with this and finally figured it out the proper way of pairing a remote control. And I'm going to be sharing that information with you. So here I have two remote controls. This one of them, I got it as a spare. And the first thing and the foremost thing you need to do is make sure you put it to charge so it's properly charged. Now, in my case, it is charged up. I know one of them is charged. One of them is about 50%. Since I was using that, I know what the charge is. So what I want to do is, so this remote is the one that is not paired right now. And this one is the one that is paired. So, of course, after charging, what another thing you need is a cell phone, which is connected to the same Wi-Fi network, the same one where your Apple TV is connected to. So here's my Apple TV 4, and it is connected to the Wi-Fi. And here's the screen. So let's pick up this one, and I just want to show you guys that this is not connected. See, when I press the button, I get this pairing remote. Bring it closer to your Apple TV to continue pairing, and even if I do that, it's not pairing it. It does not pair. So, and then that's what exactly I'm going to show you how you're going to pair it properly. So this one, as you can see, I can control it and everything. Let's see. So here is the display, and here you can see I can control it using this one. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer my remote capability from this one to this one. So I'm going to start using this one. Now it looks pretty much the same. So I'm going to show you, I do have some scuff mark on the back of the other one. So this one is nice and clean, the one that is not paired. And this one, the one that I'm connected to right now, has some scuffing at the very bottom. Not that it matters, I just want to show you guys later on that, hey, I did pair the correct one. So this is the one with the scuffing. All right, so now what we're going to do is let's get into the settings. So right now I'm in settings, and we're going to go into remotes and devices. And over here, you're going to come into Bluetooth, because this is a Bluetooth remote. So we're going to come into Bluetooth. Now here you can see this is the remote control that is connected, and this is the one that is not connected. Now I'm going to show you guys one trick. So there's a plus and then the menu, so once I press the plus and the menu, you'll see something on the screen. See, it says disconnected. Now it's going to say disconnected, and then it says error. But it connects me back, right? Now this other device that you see, if you don't see this other device, what you have to do is press menu and plus, and what this does is it brings this remote control into the pair mode. So once you press this, that's when you're going to get this pop-up on the thing, and then you may start seeing. So this is the ID for the other remote control, and right now I can't do anything, and that's when you need to get into your app. So what you do is open up the remote app, and make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi, same network. I'll go to Apple TV 4. Oops. There you go. And you may get this pin. Just put in your pin. And now I can control this from the cell phone. So that's an easy way you can use it with the app. But I definitely want to pair this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to control this device, with this. So this one is the one that is connected, and I don't want this to be connected. I want the other one to be connected. So I'm going to put this one away and go to this one. I'm going to disconnect this device, or you can unpair it if you want, So I'm going to go ahead and unpair it for right now. And once I unpair, you can see this one does not work at all. Now I'm going to go to my other one, which is this one. So I've already unpaired this one. Sorry, this is the one that is unpaired. You can see I cannot control it with this anymore. And this is the one that is clean, there's no scuff mark, and this is the one I want to pair. Now this is the bottom one, is the one that I want to pair. Now I need to get back into the pairing mode, so I see my okay, so let's go ahead and click this one, pair. It says yes. Okay, now let's try it. There you go. There you go. So you can see this is a nice clean one, and I was able to pair it. So again, what I did was basically go to Bluetooth, and here you can see this battery is about 50% because this was the one that I wanted to pair, wasn't really using it. Then when I put it on the side, this should not control it anymore. Yeah, see, this one is doing the other one. So this one was the one with the scuff mark, which I was using before, which is not paired anymore. This is the new one that I paired and is working fine. So let's do a recap real quick. So the basic thing I did was basically went to Bluetooth, this device right here. So make a note of which device you are. So this one, if I'm using this one is most likely is the other one showing up. And the way you find out this one is once you press menu and the plus sign. If you keep holding that number should pop up. So you may want to write down which number belongs to. This is kind of like the serial number, which belongs to what. And in my case, this is the one with this number. So, if you want to toggle it back to bring it onto this one, all you have to do is just press, well, you can press it with this, but that's where you need your phone. So press this serial number, and now it's going to ask you to pair it. And if I, which was this one, so if I click pair on the cell phone, there you go. So now you see this number changed because now this is sensing this other remote control. So that's pretty much it, So now this one is the one with the scuff mark, which is controlling it. Now let's toggle it back to this one, the new one. So let me show you guys something. This is where you pair it. So you hold on to this. Just go back. Let's go back to Bluetooth. There you go. Now it says pair. Click on pair. Yes. And now I should be able to use the new one. Yep. See, this is the one without the scuff mark. So now you can see how I toggle between the two remotes. So this one does not work anymore. This is the one with the scuff marks. So now my new remote control is paired. So nowhere I show or I saw a video which kind of describes, the way it works. And the way it basically works is if you have this cell phone, which you can use the app to click OK, because you do get to a point where none of the remote control works and you have to press OK to pair. And that's when you use the app. So easy way to toggle back and forth between two remote controls, or to pair one or the other. I just wanted to pair this one and make sure this one is working, and so now since I know both remote controls are working, I think we're good to go. So hopefully this video helps you guys pair up your Apple TV remote control. But hopefully you guys like the video. If you like it, please guys subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.